Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a tasty fish curry. This fish curry can be served with idli, dosa or even with rice. Always make sure that you make this curry at least 2 to 3 hours before serving so that the flavor of the fish gets into the curry and the taste is really good. Let's get started. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Adding sesame oil gives a very nice flavor to the fish curry. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and little curry leaves. When it splutters, add 2 finely chopped onions. You can also use same quantity of shallots, that gives very nice flavor. Saute them well. To make the cooking process quicker, I'm going to add little bit of salt while sauteing onion. It's very much important to saute the onion at least for 1 minute so that the raw smell goes off. Now I'm going to add 2 chopped tomatoes. Mix well and let it cook till the tomatoes get mashed. Now I'm adding salt to taste. Make sure that we have added salt while sauteing onions, so adjust the quantity accordingly. Tomatoes and onion have been cooked really well, and now I'm going to add all these spice powders. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and 2.5 tablespoons of coriander powder. Mix well and reduce the heat to medium and make sure that it doesn't get burnt at the bottom. So add little water and keep mixing it, and you have to cook it till the oil oozes out from the sides and the raw smell should have gone completely. I could see some oil oozing out from the sides of the pan. This is when I'm going to add the tamarind extract. I have taken a small lemon size of tamarind, soaked it in water and then extracted the juice out of it, and I'm going to add it now. You should always add little excess of tamarind extract for the fish curry. Mix well and then I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Give it a mix and it has to boil and it has to reduce a little bit. This is how the consistency is right now, and it has to boil for at least 5 to 7 minutes so that it becomes thicker, and you should be able to see some oil floating on the top of the curry like this. Now I'm going to add the fish pieces. I have taken 300 grams of fish. I've cleaned it, and now I'm going to add the fish slices into the curry. Based on the type of fish you're using, the cooking time varies between 5 to 10 minutes, so you have to adjust the cooking time accordingly. After adding the fish pieces, you should not stir the curry using a ladle. You have to be very gentle because the fishes are very delicate and they might break. After 5 minutes, I've turned off the heat, and then finally I'm going to add little curry leaves and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. It gives a very nice flavor to this curry, and that's all. Close it with a lid and you can serve it after 3 to 4 hours along with idli, dosa or even with rice. And if you look at the fish pieces, see the curry and the masalas have been coated well and it tastes really good. So do give it a try at home and post your comments. If you like this video and if you wish to watch more such interesting recipes, do subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.